Also like
for this initiative with a single-minded agenda to serve the people of our nation and to set a standard and a benchmark throughout the globe. And I think that is what has made today significant and it has made today special. After all, healthcare it's about caring, it's about focusing. And I think every milestone we reach, every step we move in the right direction is in that single-pointed agenda of doing whatever we can to raise the bar on the delivery of healthcare. Always open, always here is a global first. It was conceived by our chairman, it was thought through by our chairman, who in his earlier days said that the emergency room should never be, it used to be called a casualty room, and he said it should never be a casualty, it should be an emergency room. Healthcare has to be able to reach every individual who needs it. So Apollo Hospital was born from that dream. What can we do to serve the public better? There was telemedicine, many other initiatives. But today's initiative is far more far-reaching than all that we've done over these years. And it truly is a global first, because nowhere in the world do people commit to the fact that all services will be open on a Sunday. All services will be available to people on a Sunday. And you may ask us, saying, anyway, they're the emergency rooms. But it's precisely why we don't want an emergency that always open, always here is being launched today by our chairman. It will have all services available to people. It will have the emergencies available, but anything which they need, which they don't have to wait for, a week slot, will come over the weekends and especially on Sundays. And this is significant because in today's world, there are busy executives working 24/7, and they really wonder, how will I take my aging parents? How will I take my child to the pediatrician? How will my wife really get that consult which she needs unless I take off from work? And that becomes a reason to push things further and further till there are emergencies. And for this precise reason, we're saying that please don't wait, because events don't wait for anyone. Your health is your most important asset. We are there to serve you, and that is why we are available. We're always open. We're always there to serve you. But what is delightful is today, the entire Apollo system, which is 80 plus locations, multiple pharmacies, clinics are listening to what we're saying. So we will start by keeping the hospitals available on Sunday for routine work so that people don't have to wait. We will start by saying that we encourage you to take your preventive checkups. Don't wait for the weekdays and taking time off from work. We're there on a Sunday. Come as a family and prevent the onset of disease. We're available for you anytime if you want to call us in need. So I think this is what Apollo commits to, and it is probably one of the most significant announcements, launches, pledge by the entire Apollo family to raise the bar, to push ourselves further to deliver what we have to do. So I really want to thank the members of the media who've supported us in our journey for over 42 years. And today, all of you have been there to let people know that, healthcare is available to them. They don't have to wait. They don't have to hesitate. And of course, I have to thank our chairman because he doesn't stop pushing us. And there was somebody who said that he doesn't know English because he doesn't know the meaning of the word no or not possible. So thank you, Chairman. The entire Apollo family of over 200,000 people are committed to this vision and to this dream, and to our friends who are there, thank you for your support and for being there.
always open, always here. Apollo seal of service to every Indian, every single day of the week.
Patients இருக்காங்க, அவங்க ஃபேமிலிஸ் இருக்காங்க. நிறைய வேலை செய்கிற ஒரு எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ் ஹெட் ஆஃப் த ஃபேமிலி. காலையில் ஆஃபீஸ்க்கு போயிட்டு நைட் வராங்க 7 மணிக்கு. சாட்டர்டேஸும் ஒர்க்ஸ் வேலைக்கு போகிறாங்க. ஸோ எப்போ அவங்க ஏஜ் பேரண்ட்ஸ் அம்மா அப்பா ஒரு வேலை ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் போகணும், ஒரு கன்சல்டேஷன் போகணுன்னா எங்கே போவாங்க, எப்படி போவாங்க? ஆஃபீஸில் ஆஃப் எடுத்துக்கணும். Same thing, ladies irukanga, they have to take care of the children. They probably have to cook sometimes. Amma paathukanum, mother-in-law paathukanum, and so there's a lot happening in households. அவங்களுக்கு நம்ம எப்படி ஹெல்ப் பண்ணலாம்? பிகாஸ் நீங்கள் ஹெல்த் கேர் போஸ்ட்போன் பண்ணிங்கன்னா, ஏதாவது ப்ரைமரி கன்சல்ட் முக்கியமான கன்சல்ட்டு போய் நீங்கள் போஸ்ட்போன் பண்ணிங்கன்னா அது அப்புறம் நம்ம எமர்ஜென்சியில் வந்து லேண்ட் பண்ணணும். இது ஏன் பண்ணுறோம்? ஆல்வேஸ் தேர் ஆல்வேஸ் ஓப்பன்னா யாரும் எமர்ஜென்சியில் வந்து லேண்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. நீங்கள் கரெக்ட் டைமில் டாக்டர் கிட்ட போயிட்டு உங்கள் டயக்னோஸ்டிக்ஸை முடிச்சா போய் எமர்ஜென்சியில் லேண்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு தான் சேர்மன் ஒவ்வொரு இடத்துலையும் அது பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க எங்களுக்கு. உங்கள் சப்போர்ட்டுக்கும் நாங்கள் ரொம்ப கிரேட்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கிறோம். The team is very committed to this. Every Apollo employee சொல்றாங்க, நாங்கள் வந்து வேலை செய்கிறோம் சண்டே. டாக்டர் சொல்றாங்க, நீங்கள் சொல்லுங்க, அப்பாயின்மெண்ட் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணுங்க, நாங்கள் கட்டாயமாக வரோம் சண்டேஸில் சர்வ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. Diagnostic areas, technicians, everybody is committed to this. Only because we want to do something for our public, we want to do something for the people in our country. But point again, we all need to know, as Indians, we're all very proud Indians. We want to win trophies for our cricket. We want to put rockets on the moon. But more than anything else, we want now the rest of the world, we want the Western countries, the so-called developed nations, to come and see, look, in India people are doing this. India in the madri nadakudhu. And so if India can do it, we know the problems in the NHS, we know the problems in the US, expensive healthcare, you have to wait for ages. NHS, you have to wait for ages. But here, an institution is saying, don't wait at all, just come. Even if it is a Sunday, we want to come and help you and we want to come and support you. And I think that is why this is truly a visionary move. This is a move which is path-breaking, and this is a move which we're very committed to. So thank you all for being there, and it is so important for us what we're doing today. Thank you.